Hi, I'm Kurt from Kurt's Auto, and I got some Power Tour information I want to share with you. So it turns out Lucas Oil has put out their schedule for 2025. June 9th is going to be the start of Hot Rod Power Tour. So there's no official news from Hot Rod Power Tour about the actual route or sign up or anything like that yet. However, I did hear that we're supposed to learn about it a little bit earlier this year, so I'm looking for it towards the beginning of January rather than the middle. This is the first official announcement that I can find. It's going to start on June 9th, which actually it'll probably start June 8th. We'll have early sign up on Sunday, but Monday is day one of the Power Tour. And no idea where it's going, but we'll find out. The best news of all about this is Six Summer last year was on the same week as Power Tour, so I wasn't able to go. And this year, it's going to be the week after. So my June is completely booked. So now that this year I'll be able to go to Six Summer after Power Tour, I'm going to have 2 weeks of June just jam-packed with car travels. Six Summer is completely booked up with the racing. However, I would just go and spectate. I'm super excited for this summer. It's going to be an awesome time. I can't wait to take you along for the ride.